You know, today me looking at my mirror, I say to myself, say, but my God, I have a testimony. I said to myself, say, mighty long way, Lord, mighty long way, look where you brought me from. How me know it's not me alone. A whole heap of we did ugly as little children. Uglier than buck toe. Uglier than Bunyan. And who never saw ugly to that? The poverty and the hard life never give you a fighting chance. It come in like I say, if you left out, figure some of the poverty left out before you. Some people see the poverty before they see you. And just looks at you now. Look at God, won't he do it? Thank you. Look where he brought you from. Miss Louida say ugly picking grow up pretty for true. For this one was a sight. All you a grow up, then find every nickname in the book for call you. And then coupon you know. My girl would say cute and a brute. Nice like rice. Me sure say sometimes you're looking at the mirror all like you. Your good look step by surprise. On this the day of our Lord, something tumble down in my spirit. Me no know who need to hear this, how goodly me. But no for we can catch a fire when time we there at church and hear message a preach about Daniel and Joseph.